Mark here from JBBG TV. Let's take a quick look at this Beeman classic air rifle with a slight twist. This has now got the quiet tech on the actual rifle, which means it has a couple of things. One, it's much quieter, and two, it has a really impressive suppressor in the front of the barrel. Really nice looking design. Everything in this box is quality and comes with scope mounts, rifle, European stock. It's two-stage trigger and is a very nice gun. It's brake barrel, so it's spring powered, but the FPS, the power of it is very good. This is a 177.177 rifle. I believe we do also have them in a .22, but yeah, let's take a look at this 177. Straight away you can feel the quality. Very heavy rifle. Feels absolutely solid. The stock is a really nice finish, really smooth wooden stock, which comes from Europe. Has the Beeman badge just on here. Quiet tech. And the barrel, as you can see, flared out. As it comes out here, flared out, and then comes onto the suppressor, which is all molded part of the actual barrel. As I say, this comes with the Beeman scope, comes with these protection covers, and yeah, it's really nice scope. It is a 4x32 scope, crosshair scope with mounts as well that fit onto the 11mm rail, and is very nice. Nice thick rubber butt to the stock to take the impact with the kick. And as I say, it's a very much quieter, let's say not very, but much quieter rifle than its predecessor. The quiet tech is doing it. It's got the full working safety just on there. Let's put that up to the camera. So you just flick that and take it off. Feels a huge gun. Feels nice and long, nice and steady. Scope's very clear. It's awesome. Very nice looking gun. There you go, that's the Beeman Classic with quiet tech, and is available on our website now. Please do take a look. Thanks for watching.